Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Lifetothepowerinfinity, and today I'll be reviewing this foundation, and this is Lakme Absolute Argan Oil Serum Foundation SPF45. Well, I really love the packaging of this foundation, and basically what attracted me to buy this, to purchase this foundation, is this amazing stunning bottle. I really love the packaging so much. Basically it contains argan oil, but trust me guys, argan oil serum didn't actually attracted me, but the bottle actually attracted me much more, so I purchased this. And let me quickly come into the packaging part of this particular foundation. Foundation packaging contains a pump dispense, which is really a great thing when we are dealing with the products related to our face, so we just need to maintain that hygiene. For that, this pump dispense is a really good thing. This foundation is really travel friendly because it's mini size. It's not that huge bottle and not that heavy bottle. Slip it inside your pouch or inside your sling bag and you are good to go. Foundation comes with 6 other shades. Well, I have picked up honeydew shade. I wanted a foundation which have yellow and orangish undertone because it will match my warm skin tone so much, and so I picked up this shade for me. This shade honeydew is equivalent to MAC NC42 from the Studio Fix range, and they also have lots of neutral colors. They also have lots of neutral shades, so you can definitely pick it up by your choice. Let me speak about the texture part of this foundation. This foundation is really very liquidy. They runs a lot, not that easy to blend up. Made an uneven finish to my makeup, as well as my makeup looks much more cakey and very flashy, which is a real disappointment for me, definitely. Regarding this foundation, I want to give you a very small advice that this foundation really sits on your face very quickly like this. And so what I want to advise you guys, just take a little amount, just take 2 pumps out of it, which will be enough for your whole face. Just dot this foundation on the particular area of your face and just quickly blend it up. Again, go to another part of your face, dot it up and then blend it fast. If you dot the whole foundation on your face and then try to blend it up, it will just stick on, it will just sit on your face and will give you that uneven cakey look. To have dry skin like me, you should definitely avoid this foundation because this foundation needs much more hydrating skin and much more moisturized skin. So I would recommend you to use a good hydrating moisturizer on your face before applying this foundation, because dry skin people will really have a hard day to go with it. And if you want to get a good result out of this foundation, you should definitely use a good primer on your face to get that smooth and even makeup look. Now let me talk about the coverage of this foundation. Do not expect the high coverage out of this foundation because this foundation will give you a very medium coverage. It will blur out your redness, that's cool with that, but it won't hide your dark circles guys, and won't hide your dark blemishes or any dark spots. It's basically a very medium coverage foundation, so do not expect much from this. At first I applied a single layer on my face, but you know, like it didn't cover any kind of blemish marks, so I tried to apply second time. Gave me a really flashy look, which was a real disappointment. Finally, I want to speak about the staying power of this foundation and the price. Well, the price of this foundation is 750 rupees and it is 15 ml of product, but I think according to the price range, the product quality is not up to the mark. This is not a long staying foundation. It won't stay for the whole day, and after 4 to 5 hours you just need to touch up again. Foundation have a great tendency to transfer on my phone screen because whenever I talk like this, all of the foundation comes off on my pretty smartphone screen. Older versions of the Lakme foundation were just superb, but this particular foundation, I really had very high hopes for this particular foundation, but at last it disappointed me so much. So Lakme people, please gear up more and please work out for different foundations in future, because this foundation really didn't work actually. After applying this, you know, I am no way, I'm not going to use anymore this foundation. It has a tendency of transferring onto your smartphone screen, so in summertime it's definitely going to melt down from your face, but in winter time it's going to sit on your face. That's okay, that's perfectly fine, but for dry skin people, they will really have a mess with this. Last but not the least, my impression for this product is horrible, but however, if you want to experiment something serum based or argan oil based foundation, you can definitely give it a try. And if you want to get that luxurious uber kind of feeling, you can try it out, but I think it has a lot of cons rather than pros, so I am definitely not going to use it anymore. I hope you guys really liked this short review of Lakme Absolute Argan Oil Serum Foundation SPF45, and if you want to purchase it, then go ahead, and if you don't want, then it's a great thing. If you guys enjoyed my video, then please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like button, and do not forget to hit that bell icon too to stay notified with all of my upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching me. Love you, take care, have fun, and stay tuned with my next videos. Bye.